Well, Gaines Township farm can keep these massive signs on his property. According to a Kent County judge, a local township ordinance banning them is unconstitutional. 24 Hour News 8's Henry reports it was a case about our basic constitutional rights.
It took hours of legal talk before a 63rd District Court Judge Stephen Servas concluded Gaines Township sign ordinance violates the Constitution.
In its application, this case is unconstitutional because there's a distinction between commercial and political signs.
And a courtroom full of people agreed. Under the ordinance, you could put up a bigger sign to sell a product than you could to sell a political idea. It got to court because Vern Verdine parked a couple of truck trailers in his pasture with signs expressing his political thoughts. And Gaines Township cited him because the signs were bigger than the 20 square feet allowed for political signs. But if the signs were selling his beef, he could have had a sign several times that size. Judge Servas says the law has to treat commercial and political speech the same.
Good for the township, good for the nation.
Verdine's case drew help from attorneys for the conservative Rutherford Institute and the American Civil Liberties Union.
The court really looked at and decided on the issue that this was a political sign and that there cannot be these distinctions between commercial and political signs. They have to be treated equally, and that you can't have stricter limits on political speech than commercial speech.
The easygoing Verdine says he's glad it's over and said he doesn't want to stick his victory in the township's face.
I don't know that I'm going to keep them up, even.
Why is that?
No. Maybe we'll do something different. I don't know. We made our point.
The township's attorney says the township could revise its ordinance or appeal, and says that the ruling could affect sign regulations in many other Michigan communities. In Kent County, Henry 24 Hour News 8.